If your heating bill is starting to feel like a second mortgage payment, keep watching. Here's 6 simple tips to help you save big this winter. First tip, program your thermostat. Think of it like automatic heat budgeting. It keeps things warm when you're home and chill when you're not. Next, reverse your ceiling fan. Yes, that little switch matters. It pushes the warm air back down instead of sucking it up to your ceiling. Tip number 3, unblock your vents. If one room in your house is freezing, check your vents. Something's probably blocking it. Usually something random, like that basket of laundry you promised yourself you'd put away. Tip number 4, seal those drafts. Cold drafts can add up fast. Even small gaps let in enough cold air to make your furnace work that much harder. Checking the weather stripping on your front door makes all the difference. Tip 5, check your ducts. If you can see your ductwork, give it a quick look. Tiny rips or gaps can send warm air to the wrong places, like your unfinished basement gym you never use.
And tip 6, the big one, furnace upkeep. Make sure you change your filters, you do your tune-ups, you take care of it. That way it lasts longer, it runs smoother, your house is heated perfectly. Now, if you want help with any of this and you just want your home to feel nice and cozy and warm this winter without the stress, Affordable Comfort has got you covered. Stay cozy out there.